In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make raw steel look just like brushed brass in a few very quick and very easy steps. All right, first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna get our piece of raw steel. We're going to put it in a metal vise. Obviously, we're going to be using heat, so you don't wanna put it in a wood vise. Grab a drill, and I'm going to use one of these steel brush attachments for the top. And what I'm going to do here is just take this brush and then hit all of the steel with it to texture it just right, just so it looks even and consistent throughout the whole piece. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we'll switch out the brush head on the drill. So if you get a brass one, make sure it's true brass and not like a brass coated steel or something like that. I'll put a link to the ones that I use below. They're like $10 or $15 for a whole set of them on Amazon. Put that on your drill, and then you'll take the drill and you will take a blowtorch, just your regular everyday blowtorch, nothing fancy. You'll heat the metal with the torch, and while you heat it, you'll just brush the drill back and forth. Somehow, through science, I don't exactly know how, it transfers the coloring of the brass to the steel, and it gives you that really nice brushed brass look. If you're a scientist and know how this actually works, put that in the comment, because I'm actually kind of curious. All I know is that it works. I've done it, and I'm going to show you how it works. It's very easy and it's super quick. And you'll see pretty quickly how fast it starts to transfer the color over once I actually start this. I just kind of work my way down. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure with the drill to the metal whenever you're doing this. Just kind of let the brass hit it. Doesn't make too much of a difference how much pressure you apply. So I think in total for each of these brackets, it probably took me less than 5 minutes from start to finish to give them that brass look. So for comparison, this is the one that I haven't done anything to yet, just the raw steel. And right next to it, the one that we just finished in the video. And also for another comparison, I had made some components for a table base I'm working on to replace these actual brass components. These ones were just too thin, a little too flimsy, because I didn't want to spend the extra money. So side by side, you can see honestly how close they are in color and everything. I actually prefer the brush look. This is just a little too shiny for me. But if this looks a little too dull for you, what you can do is put some paste wax on it. It brightened it up a little bit, but it didn't brighten it up too much to where it looked metallic-y like the actual real brass. I mean, they're very close. To buy brass material that's about 1/8 of an inch thick like this to make these with would have been hundreds of dollars. So this is a great way to save money and to get a really awesome look for different things. Hopefully you liked it. If you're interested in picking up some more information, follow me on all the social medias and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will keep bringing more fun woodworky style videos. Have a good one.